Let's make one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use pad features, pocket features, and fillet. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we will select the front plane and make this sketch in the front plane, okay? Here will be our midpoint. So the first thing that we make here was create this circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and midpoint is 80 millimeters, okay? Open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the front plane here, select the circle, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Move this dimension here a little bit, go to dimensions. The distance between the center and the midpoint here is 8 millimeters. Okay. Now let's create this line here and this arc, okay? The center of this arc is in the same center of the circle, and the radius here is 40 millimeters of radius. Open the FreeCAD. Select here, create arc by center. Click here in the midpoint. Make an arc here with 40 millimeters of radius. Make an arc here. Okay. Select line. Make a line here between this point and the midpoint here. Okay. Now let's create this line here. We know that this line is tangent with this arc here. Okay. And create this line here. This line has 40 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. Okay. So select the polyline here. Click here, make a polyline here. And make another line here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points here, 100 millimeters. And the distance here is 40 millimeters. Okay. We made this. Now let's create this sketch here, this line here, okay? We know that this line has 20 millimeters and 20 millimeters. The angle here, 75 degrees, the same here. And the distance here is 20 millimeters, okay? It is missing here, but it is 20 millimeters. So select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make a line here. Okay, go to dimensions, the distance here, 20 millimeters. The distance between these two lines here, 20 millimeters. The angle here is 75 degrees. Now go to constraints and select equal. Select this line here and this line here. Select this line here and this one. We made this, okay. Now leave the sketch. We have this. Now we need to make an extrusion here. We need to extrude here 120 millimeters, okay. 40 minus 40 minus 40 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to pad. The length here is 120 millimeters and select symmetric to plane and press OK. We made this, okay. Look this. Okay. Now we need to create this cut here. So to make this, we have the sketch here. We make this two line here with 60 millimeters of distance from this point, okay. So let's make this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane again. Click here to view section. Okay. Now select the create external geometry. Click here and select this edge here. Okay. Now select polyline. Click here in this point. Make a polyline here with 60 millimeters and create another line here. We need to create one more geometry here. Create external geometry. Click here on this edge. Okay. Now go to constraints and select coincident. Select this point and this line here. Okay. Go to dimensions. The distance here is 60 millimeters. Okay. Now we have a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to create a fillet. Select this edge here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Okay. We made this. You can close the sketch here between these 2 points. Okay. Now leave the sketch. Go to pocket. And the length here is 40 millimeters. Okay. And select symmetric to plane, 40 millimeters. 20 millimeters for in its side. And press OK. Now here to finish this, we have a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. Okay, in this part here, we have this fillet here, 5 millimeters. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The radius here is 5 millimeters and press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.